This is Honor View 20, and today I'll show how you can enable the recovery mode on this device. So in the beginning, press and hold the side power key for 3 seconds and then power off your smartphone. Once the device is shut down completely, which you need to wait about 3 seconds or up to 5 seconds for, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power keys like that, and stop pressing them or release your fingers once you see the Honor logo on your screen. Here it is. So we're going to let both of our fingers go here, and now simply wait for your system to be booted into the recovery mode or recovery menu. So here is the magic Honor recovery mode. You can clear data, factory reset, or wipe the cache partition. You can enable update or save mode respectively. In order to exit the menu, just tap at the restart option here, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.